Frontend versus backend. Two core parts of applications. Frontend, what users see. Backend, how systems work. Both are essential to build complete software systems. Frontend explained. Frontend is the user interface of an application. It focuses on design, layouts, user interaction, responsiveness. Technologies include HTML, CSS, JavaScript. What frontend does: displays content, handles user input, creates smooth user experience, is responsible for how the app looks and feels. Backend explained. Backend is the engine behind the application. It manages APIs, databases, business logic, authentication. What backend does: processes requests, stores and retrieves data, applies business rules. It ensures everything works correctly behind the scenes. How they work together: user interacts with frontend. Frontend sends request, backend processes, response is sent back. This cycle powers every application. Why both are important: frontend attracts and engages users. Backend ensures performance and reliability. Without frontend, no user experience. Without backend, no functionality. The reality: modern developers often learn both and become full-stack engineers. The result: together, frontend and backend create fast, functional, and seamless applications. Rocket emoji.